Eric Goodwill here with Renaissance. Question for you. Textured ceilings, also known as popcorn ceilings. You love them? Do you hate them? Let us know in the comments below and give us some feedback. Here we're in a 300 square foot condo, 300 square foot living room in a condo, and we've got textured ceiling. Homeowners hate it. They asked the builder to not put the textured ceiling in, and the builder did it anyways. He insisted, or they insisted, it's a corporation. So homeowner Wallace and Elaine hate the textured ceiling. They've asked us to strip it. We're going to be using the Festool sanding system. It's going to sand it. It's going to capture pretty much all of the dust. We're still going to protect the floors. We're going to put plastic up to protect the kitchen cabinets. And so the process is this. We remove the lights, we protect the floors, we protect the kitchen and the cabinets. The lights are removed, if I didn't say.